Hey everybody, 4:43, 13 seconds, Monday, June 10th. Rainy day, got us one more in. It is absolutely pouring here right now. It's raining sideways. So this is the Hulk lot, which includes the 340 9.4 CGC, the 162 first Wendigo, and the 182, which is second full Wolverine, third Wolverine appearance if you consider 180 his first appearance. So here are the 23 filled spots, winner take all. Let's roll our 3 dice. The number is 9. I'm going to randomize 9 times. Name at the top of the list gets all the books shipped tomorrow. So here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here comes the final one, 9. Spot 23, Barney Stars. Congratulations. Time is 4:44:17.